my student sample product, I'm actually gonna show real sample products that I have asked this past couple of weeks to my students to make. So in their projects, they do not only have to incorporate creativity and innovation, but also require them to include communication and collaboration. So in all the projects that we've been doing, I've been trying to incorporate as many of the 21st century skills as possible. So for their project, most of them submitted via Google Docs, and just I have a sample of them. And I'm going to show one that I think that according to my rubric meets all the requirements for a perfect score. These students use a Prezi to show their product, and their project was about the history of the atom. They had different options on how to present it. This group demonstrated all the requirements by answering all the questions from all the scientists. It was the data are accurate, the information is accurate. They included pictures. Their presentation was good. They didn't just read from the Prezi. And I'm going to show just a rubric to see. So they included the experiments from the scientists and how all the ideas have been adding to each other over time, how the creativity and innovation of all the scientists have contributed to the idea of the atom. So here is their timeline. Then they send me their sources, and the works cited is in the format that I asked for, and is more than one with reliable sources, so they got full credit. And then I had another group that they asked if they could change it a little bit and do more like scrapbook than just the articles, and I said yes. So here is their product. They included all the scientists, the information for all the questions I asked for. But when they sent me their sources, it wasn't in the right format and they used Wikipedia. So they didn't get all the points for the citation part. Here's just a rubric that I used. So if they include all the facts that they were accurate, they got all the points. Their content answering all the questions for the 14 scientists, they got all the points. Graphics were balanced with the text used, and then I grade them on their presentation and on their citations.